You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these Russian politician, first deputy prime minister. He was in economy minister, now defense. The Russian pronunciation is as Andrey Belousov. So you have to separate out the O and the U sound. English, you can say it as Andrey Belousov. So no Belousov or Belousov or Belousov. Belousov. Andrey Belousov. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.